Welcome back to the Chill Knots podcast. Today we're talking about a part of your day that often feels stressful, your commute. But what if you could turn that time into a mini retreat instead? Whether you're on a short walk, a train ride, or an hour-long drive, your commute can transform into a little sanctuary for your mind. Grab your headphones, let the music guide you, and let's dive in. Tip 1. Sip something you love. Start your commute by grabbing a warm, energizing drink. Coffee, tea, or even hot chocolate if that's your vibe. Sipping something comforting can put you in the right mood for the day and signal to your brain that it's time to transition from home mode to work or school mode. Try this. Take a slow, mindful sip and focus on the warmth, aroma, and flavor. Notice how it anchors you, bringing attention to the present moment. Even a few mindful sips can help reduce stress and prepare your mind for the day ahead. Research published in Food and Chemical Toxicology shows that moderate caffeine consumption can improve alertness, reaction time, and concentration. So your favorite morning cup isn't just cozy, it's helping your brain focus. Experiment with different drinks on different days. Notice which one lifts your mood, which one sparks creativity, and which one just makes the commute feel a little sweeter. It's a tiny ritual that sets the tone before you even reach your workspace. Tip 2. Bring headphones. Create your own little bubble on the move. Pop in your headphones and let your favorite playlist, audiobook, or podcast guide the journey. Lo-fi music works wonders here. The mellow, steady beats help your mind feel calm while staying gently alert. Even on a short walk, notice how the music blends with your surroundings. A quiet rhythm can smooth out traffic sounds, chatter, or the hum of public transport, giving your brain a subtle guide to follow. You might tap your foot or nod slightly. It's a gentle way to connect body and mind without forcing it.
Pick the vibe that matches your mood.
Feel energized like Blaze, focused like Theo, calm like Zenji, or flowing with good vibes like Lumi. Let that character's vibe subtly shape how you move, observe, and prepare for the day ahead. And if you're driving, play the music through your car speakers to stay alert and safe. Tip 3. Stay mindful. Instead of rushing or getting lost in your thoughts, take a few mindful moments during your commute. Notice your breathing, the sights around you, the rhythm of your steps, the sway of your bike, the hum of the bus, or the motion of your car. Be present with the journey, not just the destination. These small pauses give your brain a chance to reset and reduce stress. Try this mini exercise. Pick one thing to observe during your commute. It could be the sky, a tree, a street sign, or even the way sunlight reflects on a building. Notice the details without judgment. It's like giving your brain a gentle workout in attention and observation. Studies on mindfulness in daily activities show that even short periods of focused awareness can improve mood, attention, and overall mental well-being. So while you might think of your commute as lost time, it can actually be one of the most productive moments for your mental health. Another fun exercise. Count how many different sounds you hear during your journey. The beeping of a crosswalk, the click of shoes on pavement, the chatter of people. Just noticing can anchor you to the present and reduce stress. When you arrive at your destination, you'll feel more calm, alert, and ready to tackle your day. And that's it for today. 3 ways to turn your commute into a mini retreat. Sipping something you love, bringing your headphones, and practicing mindfulness on the go. Whatever your commute looks like, walking, driving, or public transit, these small habits can transform it from a stressful slog into a focused, rejuvenating ritual. Put on your favorite lo-fi playlist, settle in, and let your journey help you recharge and reset. Hit subscribe so your go-to vibes are always ready. And we'll be back soon with more hacks, flow, and chill productivity tips.